If you won a lottery,
Lottery? Then they'll just first celebrate, have so much fun, and then grab my money, take to the bank, put in my bank account, buy new clothes, buy new shoes, get new hair, get your nails done, get your makeup done. At the 16th, give to the needy. The 17th, make schools for the people who are needing for it. And also, I don't care if I'm 16, still adopt a child.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
At least they are 12.
Yeah.
So,
Well, what makes you want to adopt a child?
because I want to take on the responsibility. Just kidding. Because I just want a child. I want to become a mom. Because I get to my house, my rules.
But you're still. The reason why you want to have a child is because you want to find somebody you bully.
No!
Right?
That's not what I said.
Why?
Okay, I meant that I'll go adopt a child. If they do bad things, I tell them what to do. And their punishment is that they wash the dishes and also hang the clothes and also clean their house.
Why would you want to make washing dishes a punishment? I thought it's one of the chores at home.
But it's a punishment because when you're done, it starts raining.
Okay, let me ask you, Suubi.
Yeah?
Whenever you wash the dishes, when you do the dishes, do you feel punished?
Sometimes.
Really?
No.
I thought
it was raining today. So
you don't do it happily because the punishment is something you don't do happily. You don't wash the dishes
because it
happily.
rain and your hands will be freezing.
How about cleaning the house?
The house, I'm not talking about this one. Maybe I will just hear the drama everywhere you go.
You know what? You make up mind.
Wait, Tata, Mama, first shut the video for a little bit.
Why?
Please!
Why?
I need to talk to Tata.
Better talk to me for my response. You're very smart.